princess. Hi. You gonna help daddy? Yeah? Alright, so we're gonna be changing these out for these. I got a smoked with a sequential. First thing you want to do, let me put the camera down real quick, is if you have a fender liner, I guess remove a little bit on this side, and then I don't have one, so I kind of just put my hand in the back, and there's a clip, and undo the bulb that's there. This is all it is. It's that simple. Alright, so these you will plug in this into the where the bulb goes, so you have to remove that bulb. So we are going to remove the bulb, plug it in, and check if they work. And they are sequential, like I said. So I like this look. A lot of people go with the yellow one. I like this one more though. So all you gotta do now is put it back same way the other one was. Oh, it actually has 3M tape, so it's kind of weird. I guess it only has it on one side. I thought it was 3M. Okay, so I will remove it. Maybe put it this way. What's up, baby? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. ¿Qué tienes en las manos? What's on your hands? Huh? Isabella, what are you doing? Let daddy finish this one, okay? I'm almost done, mama. Okay, so it does have this. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. I know it has like a sticky side to it, but I'm not sure if that's supposed to be towards the car or towards the light. I want to say towards the light. So, took it off. And what's wrong, girl? Hey, you need to relax. Okay, so I took it off and I put the sticky side towards the light just because I don't think it would go on this. Then you plug it back in. Make sure, double check again. Make sure they work. They do work. And then you just pop it back in place. Shit. Nope. Maybe we don't need it then. Yeah, but then it'll move, so we do need it. Hold on, princess. Give me a second, mama. So there we go. It just has to be pressed in. There we go. So I don't know if you guys heard it click. That's what it's supposed to be like. Now, finished product. And this is what it looks like. Yep. So that'd be it. You basically do the same exact thing to the other side. And I do have the other one. I'll post a link on the description for these. It's pretty easy to install. It took less than 5 minutes. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. You say bye? Say bye.